Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix and Save, where we show you how to fix your car and save. Today we're going to be showing you how we installed our front fender aprons for our Lexus GX 460. If you're not sure what the front fender aprons are, this is what they look like. This is an aftermarket set that we got off Amazon for about $35. Of course, you could get these OEM from a Lexus dealership, but depending on what dealership you get them from, the whole set is going to run you about $120 to $200. One more thing we wanted to mention is that since these are aftermarket, the holes don't exactly line up with the holes in the fender well, so we might have to make our own holes and make some modifications. Now, where do the fender well aprons go? Well, if you walk over to your fender well and look inside, if you can see the engine compartment like we can see there and we can see there, then your fender well aprons are missing. So first we're going to take our clip removal tool and we're going to find the clips that held in the old aprons and remove those first. Just get it under the clip and pry it out of there. Now we're going to take our new aprons and the new clips that came with the set, line them up with the holes and install them. So you can see we're already having to make a modification to the apron. So as you can see, this is what the fender well looks like now that we've installed the fender aprons. This is on the passenger side. Now we're over here on the driver's side. You can see there's a couple clips left over from when the old aprons were installed, so we're going to remove those first. So this is the front driver's side apron, and you can see we had to cut it up a little and modify it because there's a bracket in the way. We'll show you what it looks like after we install it. Here we are back in the driver's side fender well, and you can see how it looks. This is that bracket that we were talking about. So that was in the way of the apron, so we just had to cut it out. But the engine compartment is still covered, so that's all good. And here's the other apron installed. That's it for today's video, guys. This was a shorter one, but it's a very simple process. As always, please consult your mechanic before doing anything that you saw in this video, as this video was for educational purposes only. If you liked the video, make sure to leave a like, comment, share it to anyone who might need it. And if you want to see more content on the GX 460, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.